Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video and coming to my Patreon page. My name is Thuong. I am a Vietnamese girl and living in Japan for over 5 years. I speak Vietnamese and Spanish, but not much English. In this video, I will try my best. I make my YouTube channel Vietnamese Girl Wandering the World because I love traveling and I want to savor my memories and share them with many people. I want to show interesting places and daily life in both Japan and Vietnam. And of course, I want to visit more countries in the future when I can. So support here on Patreon help me to make video, visit more places, and buy camera equipment. For $5 super fan, you can ask me any question, and I will answer in a monthly Patreon only Q&A video. You can also see video early, and I will share other Patreon only bonus content like a photo for $10 Superman. For $10 super fan, I will also add your name to own my video. For $25 super fan, you can also request a video at any location near me. Thank you for your support. 感恩ありがとうございます。